Today we are gonna learn some example to division. Okay, some examples. So let's start it. So can you see there are first in the question count the crayons. So let's count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write 6 crayons. Divide them into two equal groups. Okay, so let's divide them. So this is our first group and this is our second group. So now can you see now how many equal groups will we get? So they are asking now how many equal groups will we get? Now they are asking in the question how many in the groups you get the crayons. So what do we get? We get 3. So here we'll write 3. Sorry, just a moment. Over here we'll write 3. Now let's move to the next one. Okay, do you want to move to our next one? I'm saying, do you want to move to our next one? Oh, that will be so good. So let's move on to the next one. Are you ready? Then let's go. Now see over here. Count the flowers. So let's see. Count the flowers. So how many flowers are there? Let's count them. Okay. So, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now there are 6. Now divide them into 2 equal groups. So here we have divided them into 2 equal groups. But are these now 2 equal groups? No. So this one is a little bit tricky one. I know in some of these questions they say you that divide them into 2 equal groups. But can you see there are only few flowers? So we will add 2 more flowers. Then it will make our 2 groups. So first group and second group. How many equal groups do we get? That means that how many in the groups do we get? So 4. Also in this we get 4. Okay. So let's see one more. Now let me tell you something. Now let me tell you about a division concept. Okay. So let's tell you. Total number of things to be divided is called dividend. Number of parts in which it should be divided is called a divisor. What is this called? A divisor. Number of equal share that each one will get is the quotient. So now let me explain you. Dividend is the first thing that we write. Okay. Number of parts in which it should be divided is called a divisor. So number parts which it should be divided is called a divisor. It should be divided, that is called a divisor. Number of equal share that each one will get is the quotient. Now quotient meaning is answer. equal share. When you clear the question, you get the answer. So that is called the quotient. So when you get equal share that each one will get, that is a quotient. Let's see one more example. So actually this is a practice one. So let's it is an easy one for you all. Can you see the books? In how many groups we can divide? I mean, how many books? See, in how many groups we can divide? So can you see first? So this one is a tricky one. Let's solve it. In how many groups we can divide? So first let's count it, because I have done opposite now. That's why it is looking difficult. Now you all will be thinking, first we will count, then we'll only do it. That's why in some question they give you some kind of opposite rules. So first we will do how many books. First we'll count. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. I hope you all understood now. So how many books are there? There are 5 books. Correct. Okay. Now how many groups we can divide? So now you will tell me in how we can divide these books. How we can divide these books? Kindly tell me. So I think this is a tricky one. So let's do it. Can you see right now? Let's over here. Can you see there 5? So what we will do? We will make group of which 2. Let's see if it is come the total. No, it didn't come. So for the total answer, we are gonna cut 1 notebook. How many notebook are left? Now let's try 4 notebook. So 4 is the answer. Okay. So today I want you all to let me just tell you something. Okay. So I am telling you something that is very important. Okay, now I'll tell you something very important. So please listen that. Okay? Yes. So let me just share my screen. Okay. Now you need to tell me that how we can get 27 divided by 3. Okay. So let us see. What will be the question? So I am asking this like 27 divided by equals 27 divided by 3. What is the answer now? Can anyone tell me? So how will you get the answer? Let me tell you. So we write 27 over here, then we write the division sign, then we write the number 3, then we equals. So over here we need to write the quotient. So this is called the dividend. This is called the sign of division, and this is the divisor. And what will be the, so let's see what will be the question. So in 3 table does 27 comes? Let's count. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21. So 3 multiply 7 is called 21. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, isn't it? So 3 9 it is 27. So let us see something over here. Okay, let us see. Can you see 3 9 is 27? What have we chosen the number? Can you see it is the opposite? See, 27 over here is in dividend. And then we choose, I am saying you how to make a question also. Which number is the divisor? Now which number is left? 9. So that will be the answer. So I am telling you in this how to get the answer and how to make the question also. See, 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. So what we'll do if we want to make the question, we'll write 27. Then 27. Then we'll choose one number from over here. We choose one number and between it we write the division sign. After that, which number is left, we write that as a question. So in this we have maken a question also, and like this we can find the answer also. Okay, thank you guys. So can you understand these kinds of questions? Okay, so total number thing to be divided is called dividend. Number of parts which it should be divided is called a divisor. Number of equal share that each one will get is the question. Okay, so thank you everyone. This is end of our class.